Hello friends, this is Dr. Murali, your companion, classmate and a mentor for you to prepare for the NEET PG. We have 792 hours of interactive coaching, absolutely free. Every day we will be there to inspire you in your journey for the NEET PG. So we have two phases. In the first phase, from Jan 7 to August 30, 2019, let us review all the high-yield topics. Then there is a phase 2 from September 1st to January 6th. Every day let us have one subject test and we will do multiple revision of what all that we consolidate in the phase 1. So the phase 1 is for about 8 months, starting from January 7 to August 30th. And in this 34 weeks, every Monday evening 5:30 to 8 p.m., 5:30 to 6 you take a test, and 6 to 8 I will be there to discuss with you on this national YouTube broadcast. And I personally teach you general medicine, ophthalmology, radiology, psychiatry, dermatology and anesthesia. It is all absolutely free YouTube live broadcast. And every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday evening 5:30 to 8 p.m. we have a review. There are 130 medical teachers who are passionate in teaching and helping the NEET PG aspirants who themselves were the toppers in the NEET PG exam. So microbiology, pharmacology, forensic, ENT and all the remaining subjects are reviewed by some of the most wonderful teachers every day evening 5:30 to 8 p.m. Don't forget to log in to this YouTube channel. Then during this phase, every Saturday evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. let us have one subject test so that you have some goal, some orientation. During the entire week you can make a calendar and then take the test, and we have a live interactive discussion. Then every Sunday there is a NEET PG grand test. All the 52 Sundays we will have 9 to 12 p.m. a grand test, NEET PG grand test, and 12 to 3 there is a discussion. Once more, log into this YouTube channel. It is all absolutely free live broadcast. Then once we are successful in this phase 1, you are very confident on all the concepts, and that is the time where we need to consolidate and revise the concepts. So every day evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we will have a subject test and a discussion according to a schedule, and every Sunday there is a grand test 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And once you are through in this journey with me in this free live classes of nearly 790 hours of combined preparation, me here and our wonderful medical teachers here live broadcasting to you anywhere you are if you have a YouTube app. Thanks to the YouTube app, and don't forget to subscribe and share this YouTube channel to all your friends in Facebook, WhatsApp and everywhere. And don't forget to download the UMedico app, where you have the video library, the notes, the mock tests and many more facilities if you take a paid subscription But as far as this YouTube live mentoring is concerned, it is absolutely free. So let's join the game and let's become the toppers. And until you get the seat, I will be there with you. That is my promise to all of you. Thank you.